Hi friends, how you doing? Most of you guys ask me like how to hack into your website, how to hack into a computer or email address. So today I would like to talk something about how I learned how to learn hacking stuff and all. Whether it's an ethical hacking or unethical hacking. I don't suggest you to learn unethical hacking, you will be in deep trouble. So if you want to learn about website hacking, don't just join the website hacking course or don't just watch the videos of website hacking course because you will not understand much. See, in order to hack a website, you have to learn couple of things. First thing is that web application programming language. It can be Java, .NET or PHP. Any of these three languages. I suggest you to learn PHP programming because you can develop a website in PHP within a month. I mean, you can learn the PHP programming within a month. And .NET, it takes 4 months to learn the course, and Java, it would take 6 to 7 months. So I suggest you to learn PHP course in order to understand what is a website, what is a directory, what is the file, what is a parameter value, what is the parameters, what are hidden form fields, what are forms, what is a cookie, and what happens when you enter the username and password, how the database, how it will be stored in the database. All these things you will be understanding once if you complete the PHP course. Then the next stage, next level is you have to learn little bit about HTTP server, because once you develop the website, you have to host that, you have to deploy that in a HTTP server in order to be accessible by everyone. So it can be Apache HTTP server or Glassfish or JBoss, anything. Okay. The third thing is you have to learn it. You need to have a deep understanding of the operating system, right? A website will be hosted in HTTP server, but that will still be in the operating system itself, right? So these are the three important things you should be thoroughly you learn before joining any of the hacking course. Okay, after once you learn all these things, you can watch any of the web hacking video and you can understand the stuff easily. Okay, now next question is, some people ask me, do they really need to join the expensive course or inexpensive course? it, that doesn't make sense, right? You can join inexpensive course or you can join 2-day workshop course, or you can learn from your home itself using Udemy website or YouTube classes. it, if you are good at the basic, you don't have to go for the expensive course. Okay, now most important thing you have to notice about the training institute is whether you are good at basics or not. The instructor will make sure that you understand the hacking stuff in their classes. But you observe one thing here. So if it can be understood by you without basics, anyone can understand all the little stuff. Those are the stupid tricks which doesn't work in real time web application. After learning the things from the training institute, you cannot hack the website outside. Okay, so you have to practice harder, you have to learn from the basics. You should not miss the basics here. Okay, that's it, my friends. I hope you guys learn hacking and happy hacking. Don't do any illegal activities because cyberla has become strong. I have to tell you 3 4 rules because it is very crucial to know. Okay, hacking into a website without hacking knowledge is also a crime. Saying that later if you get caught, you should not say that I don't know what is this payload, what is this, I never don't know all these things. You should not say. Okay, second thing, that only cheaters will check for security issues in the website without permission. Third thing, even if you try to hack a website and even that is not successful, but still you did a hacking attempt, right? It's still a crime. Okay, before checking for security issues or hacking into the web application, take the permission from the application owner saying that you can find out the security issues and have a deal for some business like $100 or $200. Cheers.